So I think I have some beauty supplies to open it. Let's see. Look. How pretty. Oh, look at that. Let's see what's in these. They're almost too pretty to open, aren't they? But we're going to. Very excited to open these and start using these and see what happens. Let's open them and see what they look like. They're just so pretty. Look so nice. I was sent the Hydrolift Luxe Age-Defying formula, revitalizing cream for visually lifted and firmer skin, and the Anti-Aging Booster Serum, Restorative, Retinol, and Vitamin C. I'm very excited about starting to use these. So the directions, you just apply in the morning and evening after cleansing with upward sweeping motion, generous amount on deep lines and wrinkles. There's the manufacturers, made in Israel, contact information. If you want to pause it and check out the ingredients list, there it is. The booster serum in the evening after cleansing and before moisturizing, 3 to 4 drops. More information. Manufacturing information. Here's the ingredients if you would like to pause it and check those out. The Hydrolift has this elegant little applicator as well. Keep from getting skin oils down in there. That's nice. Let's take a look at the products. Ooh, look at that. That's very thick. Has a nice, clean smell to it. Very nice. The serum has a squeeze at the top, and it's also pretty thick. Look forward to using these. The serum has a slightly perfumey smell, but definitely not overpowering. It smells very clean as well. They have absolutely no trace of any kind of rancid oils like many products do. They smell very rich, very clean, high quality. Check in the text below my video for a link on more information about these products and how you may order some of your own. Thanks for watching my initial unboxing and initial review of the products. Remember to check back in 30 days to see how they performed. If you have time before you go, watch another video. And remember, we can help each other become better consumers. And there's nothing wrong with looking attractive. Bye.